Molecular diagnosis. Biotechnological applications also lead to molecular diagnosis by the use of techniques like rDNA, PCR, ELISA, etc. ELISA, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, is working on the mechanism of antigen-antibody interaction. As we all know that once pathogen invade human body, the symptoms came to realize after a long concentration or after a long duration of the infection. During that duration, number of pathogen has survived and multiplied inside the body. But if we use technique PCR, what we can do, we can amplify the nucleic acid and can detect the infection at very early stages. Transgenic animals. These are the animals which have been manipulated to have DNA, or their DNA have been manipulated such that they possess and have an extra gene. That is, an extra gene is there in their DNA which expresses itself. What is the use of transgenic animals? Normal physiology and development. To study how genes are working, which gene is expressing which character and which trait. Normal physiology and development, like how insulin is working in body, what is the effect of growth hormones, that can be studied through transgenic animals. Study of disease, certain diseased conditions, what are the pathology of the disease, the symptoms, what is the genetic modifications, changes, etc. can be used to study through transgenic animals. Biological products. Transgenic animals gives us certain kind of biological products. The finest example is human protein. Vaccine safety. Rats and mice are used to see and detect the vaccine safety. Any vaccine which is developed can be injected to transgenic rat and mice, and further its safety as well as efficacy can be studied. Chemical safety testing. As we know that chemicals may have deleterious and toxic effects, so their safety can be tested upon transgenic animals. Ethical issues. GAAC. This committee came forth because there are certain ethical issues related to biotechnology and GMOs. As we are using microbes and microorganisms for the betterment of humankind, we are also exploiting it. To keep a check on this exploitation, this committee came forward because in 1997, a US company got the patent for basmati rice. That company made basmati rice from the Indian variety only and then claimed it to be their novel invention or novel made up. But that basmati was originally from India. So to keep a check on these kind of exploitations and wars, this committee came in forward. Biopiracy. Biopiracy is nothing but unethical and without consent use by multinational companies and various organizations. It is majorly seen in cases of developed nations because developed nations are having good technologies, good technological backup, but they don't have divergence or diversity in their natural flora and fauna, natural species. So what they do, they exploit the natural resources of developing countries, and with their technological backup, they lure them out, exploit it and put forth their natural flora and fauna as per their name. So to prevent this biopiracy, another law which was passed by Indian Parliament came into force. This is all about biotechnology and its application.